What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi. I've been busy taking care of family stuff. I went to a funeral. Crazy misfortunes been happening, but a lot of good things been happening as well. I actually crashed into a hearse. Can you guys believe that? I crashed into a hearse. I think a ghost hopped out of that and caused that accident or something, but thank God for baked beans, and you know what I mean? Because I just took a little bit of money out and paid for the hearse, the damage I did on the hearse, and paid for the damage I did on the rental car I had. My goodness, that's all I gotta say. Now, I'm about to talk about on today's episode, because this is Defi Bully. I'm gonna show y'all these gains on baked beans. This is crazy, people. Look at this. So I had this build up for like a couple days. Let me refresh this for you guys. And I'm at 1.412 BNB. Let's go to coin market cap right here. Check the BNB. The price of BNB is 427. All right, 1.412, $603. $603 in 2 days. So you tell me I'm making $300 a day on baked beans? Oh my God. So some people, they still don't believe in this. I seen Stunner Breezy do a video. Shout out Stunner Breezy. He got me in drip. I'm actually on his team in drip. You guys can use my link down below to get in this baked beans. This is crazy. Don't let this opportunity pass you. Let me make sure something. Let me make sure you guys listening to me. Is this camera on me? Is this camera on me? Is this camera on me? Yeah. Don't let this opportunity pass you guys. Okay? My voice is a little bit gone. I've been lit. I've been hanging out with family. I'm drinking. I'm partying. I've been at rivers. This is a life you can live once you invest wisely in crypto and DeFi. Easy. This DeFi bully telling you this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a live eat today. I'm going to eat these beans. It's $600, baby. Eat those beans. Let me show you how it's going to show up on my MetaMask wallet. And right now I have about like $130 or so. Matter of fact, just so you guys can see that this is real, I'm going to show my MetaMask wallet first. I have 0.296 BNB in here. Let's see, 0.296. It's about $130, $126, exactly like I thought. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat these beans. Now, baked beans miner, for the people that do not know, it pays 8% a day. Okay. Now, if you do eat every day, your rewards do go down. Your rewards are reduced. Now, you could bake the beans, which is investing money into the contract. You could rebake, which is reinvesting the money into the contract, reinvesting the rewards. Or you could eat the beans, which is claiming it. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some money back into this. I just want to show you guys that I can take it out. As you see here, I now have 1.665 BNB. 1.665, which is $711. So I'm going to do now, just to show you, I just want to show you guys I could take that out. It is in my wallet. Now, 0.70 BNB is $300. Now, if you guys want to invest into this, you go right here, you put for example, in my situation, I'm going to put 0.7, $300 back into the contract. I just wanted to show you guys that you could take the rewards out. I could send that to my bank account. I could send it back to an exchange like crypto.com, Coinbase, Binance Market, whatever the case is. Send it directly to my Cash App through Change Now. I have videos on that. If you guys want to know, go through my page. I have videos on that. So I'm going to go ahead and bake this $300 into the contract. Now, there is small fees, so make sure you have BNB in your MetaMask wallet. This is about like 30 cents or so if I convert it, which I'm not going to waste time doing that. I just want to show you guys a quick update. Right now, I have 79 million beans. I'm going to put $300 worth of BNB into the contract. And now I have 91 million beans. People have 91 million beans. Tomorrow I'm going to rebake and hopefully I make it to 100 million. The contract is at 19,544 BNB. I've been in this since it was at 100 BNB. Shout out to all the people that's been day one. Shout out Crypto Kratos. You the greatest, bro. I love you. Shout out Juice. Shout out everybody behind this. Now, it's 8% daily. It does fluctuate depending on your eating habits and your rebaking habits. It's a 3% Defi. So it's 3% on all of these. Okay, people. So you just saw me do a live eat, and you saw me do a live bake. I got videos of me doing rebakes all day. This is the hidden gem of DeFi. I've been saying this for months, people. Stop sleeping on it. Let me stop sleeping on the beans. Stop sleeping on the beans. Now there are a lot of forks of the baked beans now. There's ruby, there's cooked rice, there's spook beans, and all these other things. But the originator is key. Make sure you guys join the baked beans. It's not financial advice, people. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I look like one. I look like a regular mother. Beep, beep, beep. You feel me? But I believe this is a good play. It's been around for about 150. Let me double check. It's been around for 155 days according to Monarch. Okay, it's been around for a while. Seems to sustain in a way, and one of the main ways they're sustaining is because the community is sticking to this rebake 6, eat 1 day a week. Rebake for 6 days, eat 1. Rebake 6, eat 1. Okay. Now, sometimes you can rebake 5 and eat 2, but as long as you're feeding a contract, don't be that person draining it every day, eating every day. You're gonna be fat. Okay, if you eat beans every day, you're gonna be fat and you're gonna have some stinky farts. Okay, that's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. Let me stop being silly. Nah, but baked beans is the truth. My link will be down below. Click that link down below. You're gonna show that you're showing some support to the channel, and make sure y'all head over to the DeFi Bully YouTube page. We on that push. I'm at 817 subscribers. Let's get to 1,000 people. Let's get to 1,000 people. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. This is DeFi. It's time sensitive. It might take a while. You know what I mean? It's time sensitive. You want to be alerted early, don't you? You want to be early in these new contracts, don't you? You want to be early in these new plays, these new passive income streams. Let's make this money. Let's hop out that bullpen and run it up to financial freedom. Now, you see me, I ain't gonna spend too much time today on this video. I just want to keep this one short and sweet. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor.
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.